50+ hot-selling digital products without any technical skills required. PayShop also offers the option to add an intelligent AI lead finder that finds targeted buyer leads in major and profitable niches across countries and cities in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Switzerland and New Zealand, so it's a complete money-making system. PayShop is newbie-friendly and easy to use. PayShop is cloud-based, so you can use it from any device with internet access. You don't need any prior e-com experience to get results with PayShop. In addition to a push-button e-com business, we also teach you how to unlock our secret no-selling method for getting paid $35.47 over and over again. When you get PayShop today, there are no monthly fees. Get PayShop at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $19 once and use forever. Product buy link in description. This e-com method is new and fresh, and something we are sure you've never seen before. PayShop is perfect for anyone looking for a fresh opportunity for making money in 2022 and beyond. Beginners, affiliate marketer, students, retired folks, full-time employees that don't have a lot of spare time, e-com store owners looking for a shortcut, stay-at-home parents, no more working late nights, weekends, and anyone that likes the idea of making $35.47 over and over again without selling anything. Get PayShop at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $19 once and use forever. Product buy link in description. Get these bonuses for free when you get PayShop right now. Bonus 1, free reseller license to InfluencerShop. This helps you to get unlimited targeted traffic from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and high-traffic popular blogs in any niche from top influencers. Why waste thousands of dollars in ads, SEO, and other traffic sources when you can get traffic from multiple influencers having millions of followers in any niche? You also have the opportunity to sell InfluencerShop as your own product and keep 100% profits. Bonus 2, free reseller license to Leads Profiter. Leads Profiter allows users capture high-converting leads on complete autopilot without the need of any landing pages or opt-in forms and without the use of any third-party autoresponder software. Now you have the opportunity to sell Leads Profiter as your own product and keep 100% profits. Bonus 3, free reseller license to WooCommerce eStore Builder. You can use WooCommerce eStore Builder to design a fresh, unique store with an easy-peasy point-and-click builder that will let you stand out from other web shops by rolling your own shopping experience without lifting a finger to code and using the easy drag-and-drop features. You can also sell WooCommerce eStore Builder as your own product and keep 100% profits. Bonus 4, free reseller license to affiliate shopping search engine software. Instant Affiliate Shopping Search Engine is a shopping aggregator software that searches multiple shopping sites at once. Sites like Amazon Goldbox, eBay, eBay Deals, Craigslist, Zazzle, Newegg, bol.com and Custom RSS. You can browse items by category or popular tags, and also use keyword search for shopping stores and classified sites in real time. You can as well sell affiliate shopping search engine software as your own product and keep 100% profits. Bonus 5, Facebook eCom Shop Plugin. This plugin automatically imports your WordPress eCom stores into your Facebook fan page, having it fully customized to fit both the Facebook arena and the original brand's look and feel. This plugin can also automatically import all of your social network activities from Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube into Facebook. And, to top it all, this plugin will provide you with various social marketing tools that will boost your sales. You have zero risk with our 365-day money-back guarantee. We don't want anything to stop you from getting PayShop today, so we're going to remove all the risk and give you the next 365 days to make sure this is for you. Here's how this works. Get PayShop right now at a discount before the price goes up. Quickly activate your money-making ecosystem without any technical skills required. Then you can decide whether PayShop is for you. If, for some crazy reason, you change your mind, just let us know, and we'll send you a refund. Recap of everything included with PayShop. PayShop A. iCloud-based app minus $2,997 value. PayShop step-by-step training minus $997 value. PayShop quick start guide minus $375 value. PayShop no selling secret method minus $452 value. Bonus number 1 free reseller license to Influencer Shop. Bonus number 2 free reseller license to Elites Profiter. Bonus number 3 free reseller license to WooCommerce eStore Builder. Bonus number 4 free reseller license to Affiliate Shopping Search Engine Software. Bonus number 5 Facebook eCom Shop Plugin. No question asked 30-day money-back guarantee. PayShop support team minus $399 value. Total actual value of everything included with PayShop equals $8,304. But you won't pay $4,997. Or $497. Or even $197. You won't even pay $97 when you get PayShop right now. Why you need to get PayShop right now? The price is going up every hour, and if you wait, you'll end up paying more than you have to. The exclusive bonuses are only available for fast action takers that jump on this right now. We're including a commercial license for free when you get PayShop today. The sooner you get PayShop, the sooner you can start creating multiple streams of income with a few clicks of your mouse. There's no risk when you get this right now. Get PayShop at a one-time price. $197 monthly. Pay just $19 once and use forever. Product by link in description. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Query Limited. PayShop frequently asked questions. Q. What is PayShop? A. It's a brand new never seen before secret method for generating multiple payments from Walmart's, Amazon, eBay plus other big marketplaces, and also leveraging our unique AI technology for creating your done-for-you e-com system loaded with over 50 plus top-selling products with a few clicks of your mouse. Plus our bonus built-in traffic method. PayShop also offers the option to add an intelligent AI lead finder that finds targeted buyer leads in major and profitable niches across countries and cities in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Switzerland and New Zealand. Q. Do I need any prior experience to get results with PayShop? Absolutely no. Q. Do you offer a money-back guarantee? Yes we do, and it's 365 days MBG. Q. Do I have to pay a monthly fee for PayShop? No. But might pay after the launch period if you don't buy now. Q. Why do I need to get PayShop right now? Because the launch price is expiring in few hours and PayShop can literally change your finances. Q. How does PayShop work? Step number 1. Get PayShop now for a small, one-time payment. Step #2. Set up your PayShop account machine with our unique AI technology by simply filling a form. Step number 3. Use the included bonus traffic method for free traffic and activate our secret no-selling method for $35.47 payments over and over again. Q. Is traffic included? Absolutely yes. Q. Can I use PayShop on my iPhone, Android, Mac, or PC? Absolutely yes. You can 100%. Q. Is training and support included with PayShop? Absolutely yes. You get step-by-step training videos to guide you through the PayShop platform and a live support system to attend to your needs. Q. How do I get started? Easy. Just click the button below now. Get PayShop at a one-time price. $197 monthly. Pay just $19 once and use forever.